I'm just taking a video.
Make sure you put it on YouTube and list it under celebrity.
Yeah, that's right.
Don't push it in like that. That's why I always wish that tell you. You fucked it up.
Where's that fucking name?
It's just gonna shoot out fucking.
Where's your nail, Mark? You're gonna burn yourself.
Oh, where's
Want a 3D shot? Yeah.
Don't forget to check the smokies on the way out. Yeah.
There you go. Ooh, extra WD. Ready? Okay, ready? Let me get you back.
This is not good.
Ready? Yep.
Oh, that was a good one.
Shoot this guy. Shoot this guy.
We gotta figure out how to get the dart to work. I think we need to make it shorter.
Not have anything sharp points.
Oh, whatever. You just gotta
Hey,
find
3D shot coming at you.
Son of a...
That couldn't have hurt.
No, I just got the other one.
mashed potato.
Oh, I did it again. Mark, we're at the mouth by this one.
That fucking Sparker's the best.
That spark's good.
I know. I don't understand why it's not going.
It's small in the chamber, I think.
Oh, yeah, it's gotta be.
Oh, this is taken up. It's just this little. You got a double chamber here. Yeah, that igniter takes up a lot of space. So you end up getting too much propane. Yeah. There's 3D shot. Don't flinch.
Oh! Bring his camera, you don't know what.
I'm afraid of your legs. This one don't work, man.
Let's see, let's potato next time.
Yeah, this one's fun.
What's important work? It's potato everywhere. Did Peter get somebody else to do the hot shot or you go?
Oh!
Good thing it hit my belt.